Okay, recap. Alright, so we're doing the air cleaner. So we did this already. We let it dry for 10 minutes because that's what it said. Then you rinse it with water, and I'm not going to show you that. I just took my hose and rinsed it from this side down, because this is the enter side and that is the exit side. So that's what I did. Rinse. And now, and then it said let it dry. This is, I shouldn't be touching this, but this is pretty dry. Only feels a little bit wet. So now we're ready to apply this. And this one is different than the other ones I've bought. Do not handle and safety precautions have been read. Something about calling disease center. Yeah. Okay, let's just apply. I'm gonna shake it first. Does it say shake? May be fatal if you swallow. Okay, do not swallow this. So I'm just gonna shaky. I'm gonna apply this, and then let's see what the instructions say. I don't know. I should be able to just throw it in. Let's see. Apply evenly along, blah blah. The pleats. Allow oil to wick for approximately 20 minutes. Touch up any areas. Alright, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to apply this, wait for 20 minutes, and then touch up, and then throw it back on my bike. Alright. Easy cheesy. So, what's the easiest way to do this? So, haha, that looks easy. And again, my bucket has a hole in it, and that's why there's... Is there a doggone... Hang on. Let's see. No. Oh, yeah, see it? What is this? Okay, that's interesting. They have definitely changed this. Okay. Huh. Oh, that's new. Okay, now I gotta dig this out here. There's a little... That's annoying. Okay. This should take like 2 seconds. Okay, so I had to pull that out. Okay. This should not be hard, but it is. Wait. That was just more of an annoyance than hard. Okay. I'm gonna do... Oh, I like their spray applicator better. I'm not a fan of this. I have a lot of traffic right now because the Avs are playing and the game is over. They did not win, by the way. Alright. Man, I'm gonna go through this whole bottle. Yeah, I like the other one better. I like the spray applicator better. This is not my favorite. Because I can be a little bit more consistent. I feel like I'm losing a lot of this. Just trying to cover it pretty well. Okay, I think I got it pretty well. I'm going to turn this because from this way it looks good. So I'm going also do this. And my neighbor's being loud. Oh, yeah, I don't want to get this on my hands. This way looks pretty decent. Yeah, I'm not going to touch this, so... Alright. So we're going to wait 20 minutes and then come back and do touch-ups.